Okay, next. Dayun. It's Dayun's turn to shine. Look at her with that hairstyle. It's so wait. It's so old class and it's so classy. I love it. Looks pretty here. It's so slick. Oh, look at her smile. Oh, I love her smile. Look at her smiling. Yes, look at that smile. Wow. Wow. Oh, she's leaning on the balcony or something. There. Whoa, I saw a glimpse of the CD again. No, can't you wait a little longer? Don't show yourself yet. I'm almost there. Don't worry. Look at her. There are details on who wrote this, who composed it, who arranged it. Are these the lyrics? I think these are lyrics. The original publisher. Wow, this is so cool. Oh, it's Chaeyoung's turn. Yes, look at her. She's so cool. Chaeyoung's so cool. Oh, look at her. She's so boyish but still girly at the same time. How does someone do that? Look at her. Look at her. Oh, the tattoos are showing. Slay girl. Look at I can't zoom in. This is not a phone. This is a wow. Look at her with those tattoos. Wow, she's so no, it's like that pala. My bad. Oh, look at her biting some icing on her finger. Now it's Chewy's turn. I'm excited to see the visual. Oh, wow. Wow, she's so, ka-vibe niya dito yung, alam niyo yung song ng Girls' Generation, yung All Night, yung All Night, All Night, All Night. Okay, I bet you want me to show Chewy already. Yes, Chewy. She's so pretty. Oh my gosh. How can someone be so cute and pretty at the same time? Oh, she deserves the visual position. Wow, look at her. Look at her. How do people... Wow, whoa. She's looking straight into my soul. That's... Wow. This is I'm still looking for still not it's fine. Oh my gosh, I'm almost there on the last page. Oh, not yet. Oh, it's all of them. They're having a party. This is so cute. Some of them are smiling, some of them are eating, some of them are fierce, or some of them are just casually looking at the camera like, okay, let's have a pose. Oh, this is so cute. This is like a small gathering. It fits the album since this album is a mini album. Wow. Okay. Oh my gosh. Look at the CD. Look at this one, Yes. And there's the CD. Okay. Oh wow, we got the CD. It's so gold. It's gold. Wow. It's gold, bro. It's been a long time since I've held a CD. Wait, let me just... Wow. Look at that. I don't know where to put you since I don't have a CD holder. Wow. I might by the... Oh, I'm sorry. I didn't mean to do that. I'll straighten you up. Okay. This is it. This is... What's inside? Is this the photo? Oh, it's got a lot in it. What are these? Oh, wait. One at a time, bro. One at a time. What's this? Oh my gosh, it's Chewy. Look at Chewy with the flag. I don't know what that flag is. Wow. What's this? And what are these? Oh my gosh. From Twice. I'll read this later. I'll search it. I'll search the meaning of these later. Wow. How do I know? These are so long. I'll have to Google Translate this later. If there's an app, I might look for an app where I can translate all of this. Oh, okay. Dito ka muna since you're done. Because I might get confused. Okay, next. What are the... Oh. Bro, they have stickers. Has stickers. This is so cool. It has stickers. I'm not gonna remove this though. I'll keep it here. I might keep it here. Or maybe in the future. I don't know. Well, for now, I'll just keep it like that. Next. Okay. Oh, I think... Oh, not yet. Oh! This is their... what we call this? Photo collage na lang. I'll just call it a photo collage. I forgot what it's called. Oh, look, it has their symbol at the back. Look at them. They're so... Wow, they're so cute. Next. Ala, these are the photo cards na. Am I right? Oh my gosh, the photo cards. Wait, I think there's more. Na hindi photo card. Okay, there is more. Oh, it's Mina. Look at that. It's Mina. It's Mina, bro. It's Mina. 7 minutes agad. Video's already 7 minutes. Okay. Wala na ba dito? Oh, look at that. I'll check the photo cards later. Wait, I'm kind of nervous. Who did I get? I didn't see anything. Okay, I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Wait, I'll just return these. Except for you, I'm gonna translate. What they just said because I didn't understand anything. I'm not Korean. Wait. Okay. First is this. Oh, it's Mina. That's so cute. Finally got a legit photo card. Wow. Of Mina. Next. Sana! Wait, I got Zaki's bias and I also got Ate Mimi's bias. That's cool. I hope I got Gio though. Oh, it's Chewy! That's so cute. Oh, is this the bunny thing that Ate Mimi was talking about? Bunny, right? I forgot, but I think it's this one. This is so cool. Okay. Huh? Oh, it's Chaeyoung. Oh my gosh, I'm so nervous. I hope I get Gio. But if I don't, it's fine. At least I got Chewy. Chaeyoung. Okay. Last. Yes! Yes! I think Chaeyoung is Dustin's bias. Am I right? Correct me if I'm wrong. But at least I got Geo. OMG. Yes, I got Geo. This is so cool. This is so cool. I love it. Thank you, Lord. Thank you, Lord. This is so cool. I'm gonna arrange it now. Okay. Okay. Ah, I got Joey. I think this is the one that you were talking about, Ate Mimi. Oh, I got them. I got them. I got you. 8. Oh, I wanted any. Look at that. It's Geo, bro. Yay! I got Geo. Yay! Look at that. Okay, I'm gonna leave this because I have to understand what they're saying. What is this? 9. So all of them wrote this. Okay, they isn't there an English version of this? I need an app to like at least scan it, or if there's none, or if I'm too lazy to find one, I'll just, check out the be masipag and type all of this in Google Translate. What do these mean? Okay, bye.